Maddy and Jimmy.
Bonjour, konnichiwa, and hello. We are Maddy and Jimmy. We are Maddy and Jimmy.
And welcome to this week's episode of Lego Hacks.
What? Did you just see that unicorn?
Funny you should say that, Jimmy, because today we're actually going to be making my spirit animal, the unicorn, out of Lego.
Oh, he's so cute.
So before we tell you what parts you'll need, we're going to have to break it up.
And let's do that with a little bit of unicorn magic. Huh! Unicorn magic is real. Now, to make this unicorn exactly like the video, you'll need the following parts, but if you don't have them, don't stress. You can substitute any parts you like, and you can make it any color you want. This is your unicorn. Please get creative.
So now that you know what you need, let's get building. So to start, we're going to make our unicorn body. And what we're going to need to use is our 2x8 brick and our two 1x8 bricks. We're going to lay those on either side of our 2x8 brick to make the torso of our unicorn. And we're going to piece them together and click them together by using a 2x4 brick, like so. To make the rounded edge of our unicorn's behind, we're going to use our 2x3 sloped bricks. And see, now we have a rounded backside. Now we're going to flip our unicorn body upside down, and we're going to use one of these bad boys to create the undercarriage of our unicorn, like so. So now that we've done the body, we are going to start making our legs. So we're going to need 4 2x2 purple bricks for our hooves. Now we're going to make 3 legs. They're going to be identical, and the 4th leg's going to be slightly different, so it looks like our unicorn is on the move. So now we're going to connect our legs. Flipping our horse torso around, like so. So now that we've done the body, now it's time to add the neck. And we're going to use 2 of our 2x2 white inverted slopes to create the neck. Then we're going to fill in the gap with a white 2x4 brick. So we now have the top edge of our unicorn. Now I'm grabbing a 2x4 white brick, placing it on top of our slopes like so. Now on either side, we're going to put our 1x2 white slopes like so. So we've got a gap in the middle. This is where our mane is going to go. So now to the mane. I'm going to use a variety of colours, a bit of a rainbow, but feel free to use whatever you like. Go nuts. I'm going to use a 2x3 green modified slope for the base of the mane. The next part of our mane, I've got a 2x2 magenta slope and a 2x2 yellow slope. We'll come back to the rest of the mane in a little bit. We're going to move on to the head. Now we're going to grab a 2x4 white brick for the start of our unicorn head and another 2x4 white brick for the other side. Now grabbing our 2 1x4 white bricks and clicking them in like so. Now to use 2 2x4 white bricks. To give it a little bit more curvature, a bit more of a natural look, we're going to add 2x2 white inverted slopes that are going to click in underneath. Now we're going to use our snots to connect the eyeballs, like so. Clicking one eyeball in, the other eyeball in. Sometimes I like to make them go a bit funny so they look a bit crazy. Now for the top part of our unicorn, we need our 2x3 white bricks that are going to fit in up the top, just in front of our eyes. So we're going to fill in this space here by using a 1x2 white brick. Now for the back of the head, we're going to use our 2x2 white L-shaped bricks. Now we're just wanting to leave a gap here so we can complete the rest of our mane, so there should be a space. The last piece of our mane, I've chosen a 2x2 red slope, giving us a bit of a rainbow effect. Now we'll use these perfectly shaped bricks for the ears, just behind the eyes. Now time to finish off the mane, just inside the ears, like so. Now you've probably noticed there's no tail. We're going to make one by using the 2x4 purple slope. So we're going to grab my 2x1 red brick, 2x1 pink brick, and 2x1 green brick, and we have a tail. Like so. There is one very important feature missing from my unicorn, and that's the horn. So there you have it, a Lego unicorn. What do you think, Jimmy?
Yeah, I think it's great.
What's going on here?
What do you mean?
Nothing. You look great.
Chewy likes it. He loves it. What do you think, Chewy? Oh, he's growling. He's growling. Taking it off. Bye. All right, settle down. I'm not a real unicorn. Oh my gosh. That was fun.